wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. Those fleeting exists, no backstage lines could make me feel bitter or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses, we will ride them someday. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And this, of course, was Wild Horses by the Rolling Stones, one of their most covered songs ever and a perennial to have in any Campfire guitar repertoire. Now, let me give you my take on how to play this song, but before I do, I've just got one short plug. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Firstly, let's get the mechanics of the song sorted. It's played in the key of G. And yes, I play a G that way because I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, which means my finger patterns are upside down to most of you. Don't let that worry you. I'll put the chord patterns on the screen there. You can follow along. You got the same challenges as me. Just get these fingers in the right place. With that said, let's get on with it. So the intro of the song is a G to an A minor, but this is how I play it. So what am I doing there? G with a couple of little hammer-ons on that A string, all right? To an A minor, open A minor, a couple of down strums, then I'm sliding up to the 7th fret and I'm basically barring the entire 7th fret and focusing on hitting those skinny strings, all right? A couple of down strums, then slide it down to the 5th fret where I'm doing a full bar again, but I'm leaving the skinny E string open this time. Back to the G. Let's put that together again. Straight to the verse, which goes to a B minor. Childhood living to a G. Couple of hammer-ons. It's easy to do. And then I do this little, this is a lick I suppose, on the G, which is on the bass strings of the G, 3rd fret, pick that one, 3rd fret E string, and then I hammer on to the 2nd fret A string, then I pick the D string, transition to the A minor. The things that you to a C wanted, C, D, G. I want them for you. Back to the D. So that's the verse, okay? Now there is one variant on the verse which sounds pretty cool, is when you're going that C, D, G, I don't know what the chord is, but you can keep the C shape. Instead of playing C to D, you keep the C shape and then you're sliding it up to the 3rd fret. So effectively you're moving it from a C to a D, but these open E strings are ringing out. That sounds terrible like that, but when you put it together like this, straight to the G. Okay, so childhood living is easy to do. The things that you wanted. Hear the difference there? Now I sped it up, that's not the tempo, that was like twice the tempo of the song, but that's another little variant. Instead of a full proper D, keep the C shape, slide it up to the 3rd fret and then transition to the G. Alright, then we move into the chorus, which is pretty straightforward, A minor. Wild horses, do that C, D. Couldn't drag me away. Couple of hammer-ons. Wild, wild horses. 1, 2, G, to an F, to a C. Back to the verse. B minor. I watched you suffer. Do, like so. And of course, for every one of my lessons, I do a free song sheet. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know to learn, practice, and play this song. The link is below. Go check it out now. Now we'll move to the instrumental, which can be played on a C and an F, but it's better, sounds better when you do it on an F major 7 and a C major 7. I'll put the chord patterns up there, right? F major 7, pretty easy to play. C major 7, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, F major 7, C major 7, and then try a couple of those little hammer-on-y type things I do, right? So on an F major 7, watch closely. And then it finishes on the D, where I just let it fade out nicely. Back to the B minor, top of the verse. I watched you suffer. So there's all the patterns you need to know to play this song. So what is the secret to playing this song? Let's find out. So when I was learning the song, I had to remind myself over and over again, Dean, don't overplay the song. And what do I mean by that? That means being really subtle with your chords and your strumming, individual string picking instead of strumming every string. And it's about slow tempo and quiet. It's a quiet, lovely song. So don't belt the hell out of the strings, okay? Now, in my playthrough, you would have seen a bit of that where I'm sort of just picking individual strings. Okay, so try that. There's no set way to do it, but just don't belt it out. The song wasn't meant to be played that way. All right, Strumology to the song. Let me just show you. I'll mute the strings, right? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. To do down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. You want it up, down, up, down. I bought them for you. Down, up, down. So that's the basic strum to the song. Of course, when you get proficient with that, you can throw in a few little up strums to make it sound a bit more, I guess, flow a bit better. But get that foundational strum down, and then you'll know how to play the song. Now, hey folks, did you know just because I sung a couple of songs and played a couple of lines of this song, YouTube is going to issue me a copyright strike, which means I'm going to get no ad revenue for this video forever. So if you like what you see here and you want to support what I do, check out the Patreon link below and maybe consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. Now, I have a whole lot of songs that have something special about them on my channel. You definitely want to check out this one. It's one of my most popular videos. I don't know why, but it works. Everyone loves it. Check it out now.